How to delete Uber account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can delete your Uber account permanently. So let's go on to the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So first of all, in order to delete your account, you need to have the Uber application installed on your device. If you don't have it, just simply install it. After that, log in into your account. And after that, you'll be able to find the Home, Services, Activity and Account Center at the bottom. Just click on your account at the bottom right. And after clicking on your account here, you'll be finding your account details here. So you may just head over to your profile at the top right, or simply look up for the option called Manage Uber Account in order to delete your account. I'm going to click on this Manage Uber Account, and after clicking on it, you'll be finding your account information here. So you're going to look up for the tab called Privacy and Data on the fourth. You can look at the upper side. You can find it, just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you'll be finding your Privacy Center and third-party app with account access. We're going to click on this option called Privacy Center. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be finding different offers here. So you're going to look up for the option called Account Security, where you'll be finding this account deletion option very easily. Just click on it. After that, you'll be finding this option called Verify Your Identity. So in order to delete your account, you need to verify your identity first. Click on Confirm and verify your identity. After that, enter your phone and number that you use in order to create your Uber account. After that, enter your password, go on to the verification process. After that, confirm it, and your Uber account will be deleted. So that's how you basically delete your Uber account, by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.